Alright, what we got here is a broken intercooler. I'm going to go ahead and prep this up, get it fixed. It's for a local body shop. I don't only make parts, I do a lot of repairs for the local body shops, transmission shops, wheel shops, repairing aluminum, broken housings, broken wheels, and broken intercoolers, valve covers, etc. So I'll make it short and sweet and get this prepped up, try to video it and go from there. The little ear, I'm sorry, I got a mouthpiece on. The little ear, it was much easier to just hit it with the wire wheel, get it cleaned up. The biggest part on fixing them is getting it prepped first so that it'll weld decently, especially on like cast that's already been on the car. So I've got both pieces prepped up. I'll wipe them down with a lacquer thinner and fit them back together, tack them, get all the small cracks that are around it fixed, and then weld the ear back on. Alright, that's it. I do 2 passes over it. Not that it's ever going to be seen, but I know it's not going to come apart, and you cover all the small spider cracks that are around it. So yeah, I'll call them back, they can come pick it up, and it's back to cutting up charge pipes.